Next patch on the left hand side coming up. Move the planer over. Hopefully these vans will get out of the way. Oh, it's a nice tell you what, that's nice old Massey Ferguson tractor in the field. Looks like it's got a nice light bar on the top. Looks like someone spent some money doing it up. Fair play to them. More of a fast track kind of guy, or a John Deere. Yeah, John Deere. Same process. Told me to just get to the white lines, and then we'll put her in. Like this though, if I had a meter planer, you'd be overcutting by a hell of a lot, and it's just, then you've got to put back, and it's just a bit overkill, to be honest with you. Is it really needed? It's yeah, a bit weird, to be honest with you. Like what you would yeah, meter, just umming and ahhing. I just don't know. On some jobs it is wrong pound. I suppose I could add it to the arsenal. Woman here, we'll see what she wants. She doesn't look too chuffed. So she's gonna I think she's definitely gonna get mad about why she can't be let in. But yeah, so many people just think they can just come through the road closure and then the rules don't apply. I'm like, come on, really? Like, you know, you can't just get in a road closure, can you? Like, just because you don't want to go the long way around, or you don't want to go another way around. It mind boggles, to be fair. Look, tree on the hydraulic lines. Yeah, the mind. Some people's excuses are absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, and then you get it, people going, oh, I only live up here, and then they drive all the way through. Fair play for giving it, for them, you know, having a shot at getting through, but car behind now. Looks like we're going to stop. I think she played wholly. Yeah, she's not too chuffed. Well, there we are, 14 ton out. Oh, there we go. Yeah. I'm just going to sharpen the blade and check. It doesn't look like it's leaking. Yeah, 14 ton out. Just waiting for the tarmackers to follow up just down there. So yeah, with the spreader, plenty more out here for them to tarmac up. So what time is it now? Should really know off the top of my head. As soon as I've been listening to music and all that. Oh, 11:30. So yeah, 2.5 hours, 14 ton out. It's fair going, and yeah, I just need to find a shovel now so I can dig the front out.